Yan.
Okay, Reggie, congratulations on claiming the special citation for the PSA Awards. Ano ang masasabi nyo sa makapanalo nyo ito? Second time around, no?
Opo, second time around. Last year din. Tapos this year naman. Masaya, sobrang saya. Tsaka backstory kasi nito is hindi naman lahat nakakaalam ng pagod at hirap ng mga atleta. At ang mga atleta naman talaga ay tahimik lang na nagtitraining. Focus lang sa goal. Tapos masarap sa pakiramdam na nare-recognize kami after since in a way, tao lang rin kami at masarap din mapuri. Ayun.
Okay. Reggie, pakikwento nyo sa amin kung ano nangyari ng 2025 season. Ano ang mga learnings and realizations?
Well, before, syempre, una ko yon tapos ngayon, mas naisip ko na sa mga past mistakes ko, na kung ano yung mai-improve, ganun lang naman talaga palagi. Improvement lang, improvement kung ano pa yung mas magiging magaling ka pa, mas matatapak mo pa yung personal mo na mga nagawa. This time, nakapag-world record this time again. So, really good. Really good.
Ano ba ang i-expect nyo for 2026?
2026, well, hopefully another world record. And then at the same time, bigger numbers, bigger total. This time kasi nag-bronze ako sa total. So, hopefully, and I'm trying to get it na mag-second or get the world championship.
Alright, may gusto pa yung pasalamatan?
Yes, of course. Papasalamatan ko yung unang-una sa lahat, yung nag-training sa akin, yung coach ko, yung uncle ko. And then yung kasama ko palagi sa World Championship, sila Sir Eddie, ang Dufoam, ang Muscle Tech, at saka yung mismong Vitargo, at saka yung Pace family ko, and my family, and my girlfriend, na fiancé ko na.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
So now that you've been recognized sa World Cup, since in nanalo ka, do you still have the same drive or hunger now that makikipag-back yun? Sasali ka ulit, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, so do you still have that same hunger?
To be honest, it was sometimes you don't feel it. It's an on and off kind of thing. But I think realizing after that one, it's really a normal thing that you're going to go through. And one thing that drives me back is that sobrang dami pang magagaling kaysa sa akin. And minsan mas bata pa sa akin, nakuha nila yung mas grabe pa na achievement. And minsan sobrang mas tanda pa, triple my age, and still at the top. So parang it was a waking call for me na why am I relaxing? I haven't done enough. So that just keeps the fire burning more. Kung yung lagablab yung tinatanong mo, and it gives you a little bit of shame not to give up just like that. So that's what keeps me going, actually, seeing younger people than me who is doing more than me, and older people than me who should be retiring and relaxing, who's even doing more than me. And they're still striving. I just can't put my face there na I give up. I can't. That's real for my heart. Talaga.